Assalamualaikum guys, I am Rabshan Nazif and you are watching Crazy Information Technology. In today's video I will bring review of VIVO NEX. Hope you enjoy our video, and if you know about all the feature of VIVO NEX, watch this video till end. So first of all, I would like to explain its display and overall review of its display. As you can see, there is no camera available in front of the mobile. So I love this kind of mysteries when there is no camera available in front of screen and you have full screen to view. So first of all, I would like to explain the display. There is Super AMOLED capacitive touch screen. Size is 6.59 inches and resolution is 1080 multiplied by 2316 pixel, which is great resolution. As you can see, there is 6.5 inches screen, which is best for viewing or best for watching movies, yeah, etc., which you want to watch on your mobile. So now come to the Android. There is Android 8.1 Oreo and great Android. Now come to the processor. Qualcomm SDM 845 Snapdragon 845 is available, and 128 256 GB and 8 GB RAM. There is a variant, one is 128 and second is 256. Now come to the camera. As you can see, there is a mystery. There is a pop-up action, which I only love the pop-up action. There is only front of pop-up action, back is your on camera. So come to the front camera. There is pop-up 8 megapixel with 2.0 aperture. And now come to the back camera. There is a dual 12 MP with 1.8 aperture, and second camera is 5 MP with 2.4 aperture. Now come to the some feature. There is a sensor fingerprint. The fingerprint is under the display, messaging, browser, fast battery charging, MP3, etc., etc. Photo, video editor, document viewer, etc. What do you want is available in your phone. Now come to the battery. There is 400 mAh battery, which is best battery, and there is no removable battery. And the release date of this smartphone is 2018 July. And overall review of this mobile, as you can see, the 8 GB RAM, 400 mAh battery, 12 megapixel camera. So hope you enjoy our video, and if you enjoy our video, please subscribe our channel. For now, goodbye.